As with anything, you need to disconnect the battery first before you do any electrical work. On any machine, automotive or whatever, you should always disconnect the battery. So to do that, we're going to have to take this cover off. Nut. I always try to leave the bolts in the cover itself. Just leave the nuts on the seat. Alright. Now, take the cover off to the battery. Just lay it right there. This battery, I replaced it a few months ago, and the safest place to disconnect the battery is always the negative. So I'm going to look at that. There's some no locks. I always put no locks on my battery terminals. It makes them not corrode, and it helps them last a long time. I was holding that up there for y'all to see it. I mistakenly left this in there like when I changed the battery out. Alright. So alright. Now we got the battery unhooked. I'll move the wires over here, that way there won't be no connection. And I won't get shocked, and I'll leave the screws over in the seat. Along with the battery cover screws, nuts. Now we can take a look closely at this. That's battery negative. It goes to the battery, yep. And that's a negative to the motor. Okay, that's your winch negative. The top one's your winch positive. This one, the black one's the winch negative. This is the battery positive, and this is the battery negative. So we figured out those wires. Okay. Now, there's my remote I was going to install today, and we'll get a look at the paper. I'll post a picture of this diagram in the video. Okay.